After 3 attempts, we managed to ban the manufacture, sale, or use of plastic carrier bags. The ban was backed by fairly severe measures, as one might expect, given the gravity of pollution by plastic in this region's land, air, water, and marine ecosystems. The ban may seem only a small step, but in fact, it has already cut plastic pollution substantially in Kenya. Equally important has been its positive effect on public opinion. That the ban has held is proof that we do not have to give in to pollution. Public action can make a difference. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the many countries and organizations that sent us messages of support and encouragement in the pursuit of the ban on plastic carrier bags. We are proud of this achievement, and we hope that our example will also inspire other countries to do the same. My advice is that nations should not heed the skeptics who say that all countries cannot protect our planet better by banning plastic carrier bags. We, as Kenya, will increase our funding to the organization in order to support its programs. I would also like to encourage other member states to consider raising their voluntary contributions to help the United Nations Environmental Programme discharge its mandate effectively. Indeed, in keeping with the summit dictates, my challenge to the United Nations Environmental Programme is to take steps to strengthen your headquarter function. This is particularly important because we expect a more effective, efficient, and responsive organization, given the growing importance of your work.